Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Neewer Advanced 18-inch LED Ring Kit. The Neewer Advanced 18-inch LED Ring Kit has just about everything you could need if you're just getting started with professional ring lighting for photos and video. It features adjustable color temperature, a fully dimmable light, and a very simple remote that lets you dial in settings. Reviewers love the bright, soft light and the look this ring light provides. As a ring light kit, you're not just getting a light, you're getting everything you need. That includes the light, a tripod stand, remote control, cold shoe adapter, to mount to a camera, a rotating smartphone holder, and a carrying bag. That's excellent for the price, making this one of the most appealing all-in-one lighting kits you can get. Number 2. Neewer 18-inch SWD LED Ring Kit. If you want a ring light kit that has everything you need but with fewer bells and whistles, the Neewer 18-inch SMD LED Ring Light Kit will get you there. It has a simple stand, simple remote trigger, no carrying case, and few of the fancy bits you get with some other kits, but reviewers love the soft, high-quality light. It's fully dimmable, but you can adjust the color temperature of the LEDs themselves, which may be an issue if you're using this along with other lights or are using a camera that can't apply white balance effectively. Number 3. Elgato Ring Light. Elgato makes some of the most popular products for vloggers and streamers, so it's no mystery why it's also offering the most popular type of light setup too. Elgato's 17-inch ring light offers a fully dimmable light, adjustable color temperature, the ability to change settings remotely with an app, and support for phones, full DSLRs, and everything in between. Just about the only drawback here is the stand, which clamps to an existing surface like a table and requires a separate stand if you want it to be freestanding. That's a minor drawback, though, and if you're planning on specifically using it while streaming from a desk, it may actually be a benefit. Number 4. Sensyne 10-inch Ring Light with Tripod. If you just want a simple ring light setup for your phone photos and videos, this compact 10-inch ring light will get the job done. It's much less expensive than most of the premium competitors in the field, but it includes a full tripod stand, remote on-off trigger, and a clamp to hold your phone. It's definitely not the same type of premium light that you get with the competition, but if you just want the basic ring light look, at a basic ring light price, this is a good bet to get you started. Number 5. Lume Cube 18-inch Cordless Ring Light. Lume Cube makes some of the best lighting products on the market, and the 18-inch cordless ring light definitely seems like a winner. It's another full kit that includes everything you need, from a carrying case, full tripod stand, and mounts for both cameras and phones. What sets it apart is the power source, which comes from rechargeable batteries. That lets you set it up in places other lights can't get to, since most other ring lights will require constant power from an outlet. Reviewers do mention that the batteries can pop out of place, but rig up some gaffer tape and keep some spares handy and you'll be able to shoot a while without worry.